What's up, traders? I hope you all are doing well, and thank you for all the feedback you have sent me on Instagram. That really made my day. And if you're getting a value out of my videos, and if you're learning something, not only giving you trade ideas, I'm not only telling you where to buy or sell, I'm also trying to teach you how to take trades, what are the buying or selling conditions. So I'm also trying to explain you all the reasoning behind the trades we take. If you're getting a value out of my videos, please leave a comment on my YouTube channel as well. I would love to hear from you guys. If you have not followed me on Instagram, do so, because in days when I have a decent audience, I'm going to come live on Instagram and I'm going to trade with you guys. I'm going to answer your questions there and then. So please follow me on Instagram as well. Today we're going to talk about natural gas, but right now I've already taken this trade USD CHF. I've also sent this trade in the group. So if we have taken that, then we are in this together. And if you have seen my Euro USD video, how I take double top, double bottom entries, then you'll know how we take this sort of entry. And if you have not seen that video, I'll put the link up there so you'll know exactly how we take double bottom entry. So here we have an entry condition. Even if I end up losing this trade, I won't regret, because I am following my rules. I'm not taking this trade anywhere else in the market. I'm only taking this trade when I have my rules and my condition met. And all the training which I've taken, I have back tested thousands of trades which has proven to be profitable for me, and which I will also share with you guys very soon. All the trades which I have taken in the past, back tested it, and I'm going to show you the spreadsheet very soon. So if you have taken this gold trade, we hit our target. We are still waiting for the entry condition to meet. When we get it, I'll ping you guys. Wow, what a trade we had here. Exactly how we predicted. As we were expecting the double bottom trade from here, with an engulfer entry here, this little hammer engulfed this previous candle, and we got the nice shoot up from this double bottom trade. Again, guys, do not take the double bottom trades anywhere else in the market. Only take double tops and double bottom trades when the market is on the major level of support or resistance, and there are more confluence to it, which I will explain in the future videos. So let's go back and quickly check what I've said. It won't be long, it's just going to be a few seconds. We are on a weekly level right now. I believe this level will act as a level of support again. So in order to take buy entries, wait for the candle, come back to this level, make this move, come back here again, and wait for an engulfer double bottom entry. Natural gas has broken above our resistance level, and this level has been respected in the past. You can see it was acted as resistance, 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 and resistance, which is now more likely to act as a support because we have broken above this level. This area is our area of significance, so where we plot our Fibonacci to take next trade. So let's do it here. So if I look from here, we already have our entry triggered from our buy zone, which is here. We have one test, two test, and then market shoots up, and I'm expecting to see the market go towards at least 5.148. It can also go up to 5.160. And also, if you're already in your buy trade, then I think that the point I've just mentioned is, and that'll be a good point to cut your profits. And if I move this area a little bit down to our level of significance, because this is the level of significance. If I move this box here, so let's say if the markets pull back towards this level here and resist this level and make kind of move like this, I'll give you a nice little hammer candle that looks more like a balloon. Just ignore my drawing, guys. And if it comes back here and gives you this entry reason, then you'll see the market go up to at least this level, 5.161, or a little bit below 5.156. So these two zones are a significant zone, because you see the 50% retracement here is acting as a support here, here as a resistance, here this wick, you can see this wick as a resistance here, as a resistance here. If we pull our Fibonacci towards our previous level, which I just mentioned, this level is also a level of significance. So you can see the 50% level is acting as resistance, resistance here, support this candle, and support for this candle, and gives us a reason to buy this market. The buy would have been this candle, the next one, up to the point I've just marked. So I've already given you two conditions. If the market gives a pullback, I'm more likely to see a market to go towards the level point I've just marked. So if you're getting a value out of my videos, please share this channel. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below, and or you can always send a message on Instagram. So I hope you trade green rest of the week. Till then, take care. I'll see you guys in the next video.